you go. You just gotta do 8-point turns and then big boys. Well, you want to, yeah. Just go easy on her.
I feel like I'm losing my mind. Is everybody in the world blind? Please, Lord, give me a sign, a sign.
Welcome to the channel. I'm Trey. That's Stephanie back there. Today we're at Moab and we're going to do the Moab Rim. Welcome to episode 2 of the Moab Rim Trail. I broke this trail into 2 episodes because there was a lot to capture and I want you guys to watch every second of it. Honestly, it was an awesome trail. Highly recommend doing it if you have a machine capable to do so. Thank you for watching and we'll continue on with the video.
Watch her, no! Watch her, no! Jesus Christ! Okay.
You're good to go back. I'll tight your butthole right now.
Just wipe it on your pants, Trey. Wipe it on your pants. I saw it. I knew it.
Hey, don't go too far back.
Yeah.
Right here, straight on. Straight on. Alright, let's go. Give her hell. Okay. Back up a little bit, bounce it back up.
You might be able to crawl there. I don't know.
There you go, good. Give that a whirl. Jesus Christ. Yeah,
drive tire right to where your foot is at right now?
Drive, yeah, right here. Right here.
Yeah.
That's what you're aiming for. And you gotta just kind of keep coming. Don't give it too much juice or it's fine. Go, come on.
Go driver.
Too much. Yeah.
Hold up. You're good. You're good. You're good. You don't have to bump it.
Yeah, once you go, you just keep going, just even.
It's slick. Oh!
Straight towards me. Yep.
I just get the feeling I gotta put more throttle.
Yeah, you do. You gotta bump it pretty hard.
You might want to try just putting your drive tire right here. Keep her going. Just even throttle.
Yeah, keep
her going. Alright, keep her going. Keep her going.
Hit it, hit it. Oh.
God, that's it.
Here, you want to just hit, John.
Go ahead.
Yeah.
It's wild to watch the front end of these things bounce like that.
Yeah.
Yeah, like the players
Not
is
settling, I know that.
yeah, like the players front end. I guess they have a lot of compression in them. Alright, we're gonna winch them up. Head on. We got some Jeeps up here too. Hit it, hit it. There you go.
We didn't like run. We had hiked a few trails.
Did you do the narrows?
No, we did outside the park that arrows and
Up to this point, we have completed 5 miles of the trail, and we have to head back the way we came up. The hard way.
You went around it. Are you trying to come down here?
Well, yeah.
I didn't know if you were trying to come in.
I don't know if I'm at the right angle to get to that. I need to be facing that way.
That's why I'm surprised you cut that way.
No way. There's no easier way to come down here without going into that.
Over on the other side? There you go. You just gotta do 8-point turns in them big boys. Well, you want to, yeah. Just go easy on her. It is. you should have kept coming straight. Well, no, okay, yeah. No, don't turn too much, just keep coming. Straighten out. Straighten out. Okay, there you go. Keep going. Keep going. Keep going. Beautiful, baby. You did a good job.
You did a good job. Teamwork makes the dream work.
Yeah, it does.
Made it back to the parking lot. I don't know if this is where you could trailer in and unload. It's not that big of a parking lot, but we completed the Moab Rim Trail. Nothing broke, thankfully. They rated it a 7 out of 10. I definitely think it was a 7 out of 10 on a hard scale. Mainly just because of the first like mile or so of all the obstacles. After that, everything else was like somewhat challenging, but not like need a spotter challenging. The views were perfect. Couldn't ask for a better view. I'm gonna end this video though. Thank you all for watching. Hit that like button. Remember, stay sweet, and we'll see you in the next one.